This could be one of the best planner tutorials you've ever seen, and I hope it is. Today we'll learn a simple way to automatically fill in dates on your weekly planner layouts without having to write each one individually. Stick with me, and I'll keep it simple for you. Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I make simple videos on how to make planners using Canva and InDesign. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, let's dive in. To fill our weekly planner layouts, just follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Set up the linked text frames. Step 2. Generate all the dates of the year using Excel. Step 3. Flow the dates across all text frames. So let's start with Step 1. First, upload the Canva design page to your planner. You'll find the download link in the video description below. Select the parent page. Navigate to File, then Place, choose the image and click Open. Once the loaded cursor appears, move to a corner of the page and click to fill the page with the image. Next, let's add the linked text frames for the week's dates. Click on the text button in the sidebar, then draw the text frame. Repeat this step for the remaining days. You can either copy and paste multiple times or use the step and repeat tool for an automated process. To use the tool, copy the text frame for the next day. Go to Edit, select Step and Repeat. Enter 5 in the count field and click OK. To establish a connection between these 7 text frames, click the Selection tool from the side panel. Select the first text frame. Click on the Out port. Clicking the Out port lets you flowing text to another text frame. Now we have what's called a loaded cursor. Position the loaded cursor icon over the second frame. The loaded cursor transforms into the thread icon. Click inside the second frame to connect it with the previous text frame. Now, the text frames are connected. You can check their connection by going to View and scroll down, then click Extras, and then click Show Threads. Repeat the process and do the same with the remaining text frames. Before using the autoflow text technique across all pages, I need to create an Excel sheet with the same number of lines as the text frames I want to link. In my situation, there are a total of 371 lines, which is the result of multiplying 7 days by 53 weeks. Go to office.com and create a new sheet. Go to the first cell A1 and type T or any word or letter of your choice. To generate a list of 371 lines with the letter T, go to the name box and type A1:A371 to select all cells. Then, press Ctrl+D on the keyboard. Next, go to File and scroll down. Click Save As and then click Download a copy. Go back to InDesign and add 52 pages. Select Page 1. Right-click and choose Insert Pages. In the dialog box that appears, type 52 and click OK. This will give you a total of 53 pages, corresponding to the number of weeks in the year 2024. The next step is to customize the text style. Double-click on the parent page. Then use the text tool from the left toolbar. Click on the first text frame and type any date such as a Sunday one. Select the text and choose your preferred font. You can also change the size. After you're done, select the text and head to Paragraph Styles and create a new style by clicking the plus button at the bottom. If you can't find paragraph styles on your side panel, simply go to Window, scroll down and click Styles. Then click Paragraph Style to bring it up. Now that the text style is set up, you can remove the text from the text frame. As we get ready to thread the text, let's make sure of two things. Go to Edit, then scroll down and click Preferences. Then click Type and ensure that Smart Text Flow is unchecked. Also, from the parent page, right-click on the text box and ensure that Allow Parent Item Override is enabled. Now, select the date style created before. Go to page 1 where you want to start your text flow. Head to the File menu and click Place. Choose the downloaded Excel sheet and then click Open. When you hover the loaded text icon over the text frame, the cursor changes with parentheses around the icon. Hold down Shift+Alt and you'll notice a small arrow icon. It means all the text will flow into the document, adding frames as needed without adding pages. Any extra text is marked as overset. Click to autoflow the text. Verify no pages are added to the documents. We now have what we call linked text frames. Lastly, select all the text and delete it. Step 2. Generate all the dates of the year using Excel. After linking the text frames, let's add the dates. But before doing that, we need to generate a list of all dates. In cell B1, enter January 1st, 2024. In cell B2, type equals, then select the cell above. Type +1 and then press Enter on your keyboard. And now you can see we have January 1st and January 2nd. Go to the name box and type B2, B366 to select all cells from B2 to B366. Press Ctrl+D on the keyboard. And we have now a list of all the dates for the year 2024. I can customize the appearance of the dates according to my preference using the text function. Go to cell C1 and type equals, then type text. Select the date. Type comma. Then type 4 letters for the letter D enclosed in double quotation marks. Then type the ampersand. Add 2 space enclosed in double quotation marks. Then type the ampersand. Finally, type 2 letter for the letter D inside double quotation marks and close the bracket. Move to the corner of the cell, double-click to automatically fill all dates up to December 31st. Now, all the dates for the year 2024 are set up exactly the way I want them. For more details, you can check out my earlier video for a step-by-step guide on automatically filling in dates in your daily planner. I cover all the information you need. Step 3. Flow the dates across all text frames. The final step is to copy all the dates and paste them into InDesign. Select the entire list of dates by typing C1:C366 in the name box. Right-click and choose Copy. Go to InDesign and paste the list into the text frame. Adjust the size, style, and position of the text box as needed. For a Sunday Start Planner, go to the first text frame and press Enter. If the video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.